When I was at Target the other day, I also picked up the Tsum Tsum mystery pack. It was $4.99. They're already on Series 7. And this box, this surprise box, might have 1, 2, or 3 Tsum Tsums in them. I don't really collect Tsum Tsums that much anymore, the little plastic ones. I'll still buy one occasionally if I like it. The reason I bought this one is because it has Bruce the shark, and I love sharks. So I was like, I have to get this. I just wanted to see what they were like. But this is Series 7, and like, they just way too many Tsum Tsums. So I'm just going to show you some that I have. This is Tsum Tsums, and then this is also a bunch of different Disney little toys. So these are like little Tsum Tsum mystery packs, the little toys that went with this, and then some other miscellaneous Disney toys. There's some more little Tsum Tsum mystery packs from previous series. I think I have like all of Series 1, and then after 2 and 3, I just got like bored with it. I bought some, but not the whole set. And then here's some more up here. And then some Tsum Tsum stackers. Basically, I just collect something just a little bit when I wanted. I'm not a completist where I have to have a complete set. I'm okay with just having a few. And then here's like a jar of a bunch of like Tsum Tsums that I haven't done anything with yet. So, and then I actually do have a collector case somewhere. There's a collector case. And then these are when I was part of the Tsum Tsum Month Club. I don't know. Collector of the Month, I don't know. I can't remember what it was called. My husband bought me a year subscription for a gift. So I have those. I didn't continue with it. I like them, but I wasn't that impressed with these Tsum Tsums, these plush Tsum Tsums. I have collector cases. I just haven't done anything with them yet. So anyway, this is just my small collection. Oh, and then I have these too. And it's just on this vintage Mickey Mouse shelf that I love. So all this stuff on here is various Disney toys. Everything shoved in here is all Disney stuff. I need to organize it a little bit better, but this is how it is for now. So anyway, I'm going to open this. I'm going to cut this box open, and then I'll try to open this on camera. It's just a little difficult because I do everything one-handed. So give me a moment to open this, and then I will come back. Alright, here it is. These boxes are so difficult to open. And when I tore the back off, you could see what the blind bag one, or the mystery one is. They obviously didn't put it in a black bag, which would have been nice. So it is a pelican. I don't know. Is this from Finding Nemo? I'm assuming this is from Finding Nemo. I'm sorry, Finding Dory. Wasn't there a pelican in Dory that helped her out? I have seen the latest. I'm pretty sure that's what that is from. If I'm wrong, let me know. Comment down below. But I'm pretty sure this is from the latest Finding Dory movie. And then the shark is adorable. I have a lot of like little shark toys because I love the original Jaws movie. So this is cool. That will go with my shark collection. And then this is the turtle from Finding Nemo. I forget his name. What was his name? I know his baby was Squirt, but I don't remember what his name was. But anyway, they're cute. Like I said, I do like Tsum Tsums. I just don't buy like tons like I used to. I'll just buy what I think is cute. I don't have to have a complete set. At this point, Series 7, that'd be like, what, 500 Tsum Tsums? Yeah, I love them, but not that much that I need every single one. Just the cute ones, and this is adorable. I like it. Thanks for watching. Here's some more Tsum Tsums. Just a side note, I realize I'm pronouncing it wrong. I tend to say Tsum Tsums, and my niece is always correcting me, saying it's Tsum Tsums. So yes, sorry, I pronounced it wrong. If you feel like correcting me, feel free to comment. Otherwise, don't worry about it. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I still do it. It doesn't matter how many times I'm corrected. But my main collection is Alice in Wonderland. So as you can see, I did make sure that I got all the Alice in Wonderland Tsum Tsums. They are adorable.